Hello and welcome. You tuned into Market Cafe. I'm Ankita Saxena and with me Shrishti Sharma. In the next 1 hour, we'll take you through what's happening globally on the global market front and the geopolitics and of course the cues to watch out for before the start of the street today. But first up, let's take stock of how Wall Street opened up, how that is shaping up in the futures. As far as the stock futures are concerned, we do see a bit of a wait and watch mode for the CPI numbers that are due today for the Wall Street. We have Dow Jones that has lost 65 odd points, very flat though. S&P 500 futures have slipped 0.2% and Nasdaq also declined 0.3%. So a bit of a decline coming in there as far as the futures are concerned. But as far as yesterday's market close is concerned, it did close in the green, but very marginally in the green. Dow Jones is traded up 0.1%. S&P 500 also closed up just 10 points higher, and Nasdaq Composite traded up 62 points higher. So though in the green, there is wait and watch mode as far as US market is concerned. The CPI numbers that we are expecting today, we do expect that the CPI rose to 2.7%. This is according to Dow Jones consensus estimate, and this would be in line with the lower than expected November CPI results. And also as far as the December jobs data is concerned, we saw that cooling off a bit, but it was pretty much in line with what we were expecting, and also it reflected a stable jobs market, and also that means that the Federal Reserve will hold off on the interest rate cuts for now. So as of now, we are expecting the CPI numbers to come out at 2.7%. So that's what so the cues basically the Wall Street is watching out for. But nonetheless, the futures are a bit on the lower side as of now.
Oh, indeed. That's about the US markets. They were seen to be shrugging off all the fears and the commentary that we have seen coming in from Jerome Powell. Very interesting moves coming in on the commodity side because, yes, of course, is the safe haven buying that once again seem to be kicking in amidst all the geopolitical tensions as well as what's been happening with the Fed chair. And we have seen over 2% of gain coming in on the gold prices. Silver jumped almost 8% overnight. But with respect to the crude as well, slowly and steadily, that is also seen to be inching higher. As of now, Brent oil is trading around that $64 per barrel mark. Oil rises to a 3-month high amidst the supply concerns as well.